Welcome to the jungle, enjoy the song.
Welcome to the jungle, come and take a peek. Colors bright and animals unique. Lions roar and parrots sing. Come with us, it's a jungle fling. Clap your hands, jump up high. Wave to the monkeys swinging by. Let's explore and laugh and play in the jungle every day. Wake up, the sun is out. Hear the jungle creatures shout. Good morning, says the monkey loud. Swinging through the leafy cloud. Elephant dumps with a happy cheer. Parrot squawks, the friends are here. Let's march, swing, flap and spin. Let the jungle fun begin. Tiger tiptoes through the trees. Zebra gallops in the breeze. Crocodile snaps, slosh, slosh, splash. Hippo plays in a muddy splash. Can you growl like a bear? Or flap your wings up in the air? Flap, flap. Let's all mimic jungle sounds. Jump like frogs and hop around. Climbing vines and crossing streams. Jungle's full of daring dreams. A river's in our way. Let's work together, we all say. Teamwork makes the journey bright. Helping friends feels just right. Adventure ends with smiley faces. Hugs and love in all the places. It's time to say goodbye, my friend. But jungle fun will never end. Wave to the monkey, elephant too. Parrot says we'll miss you. So come again and sing this song. The jungle waits, it won't be long. Click subscribe and don't delay. More jungle tales are on the way.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.